Okay, we have rubber stems now. We don't have any of those TR numbers on this one. I don't know what the secret code is. Ask for rubber. That's the key. Old bikes take big honking rubber. Oh, something just fell off. Got rubber. Oh, your valve stem coverage was loose in here. Do you think maybe it's defective? Ooh, better check it out. It seems like it goes on. Where's your core puller?
It's over here.
These aren't old and crusty like the ones we took out.
Good.
Is that what you want? Old and crusty? Old and crusty? You have fancy chrome plated valve stem covers?
I got rim strip.
Rim strip? What's wrong with the one on it?
It didn't tear anything, huh?
Looks like it's perfectly fine to me. What's wrong with it?
I won't change it then. I knew that I bought rim strips also.
Oh, you bought everything.
So,
He's got all kinds of good stuff.
and I figured if they were gone or torn up, then I would replace them.
Is this the car we're going to use?
It is.
A Shinky E270. Look at that. Shinko E270, if you care.
Got the look.
It looks just like that one you took off, except it's newer. Did you clean the dirt out of it yet?
There's no dirt in it. It's good.
In the airline. And you know there's no dirt in it. Did you blow it out? Did you make sure it was clean?
When I ordered it, I told them I'd like a nice clean one. So make sure you blow it out before you ship it.
You want a nice clean one, you said?
Yeah.
Did they send you that one?
Yeah. Did you see anything blow out?
Yeah.
I told them make sure they blow it out before they send it.
Yeah, this came out.
Where?
Somewhere. Where's that tube at? What does that say? Made in Italy? Didn't say. It says made in 12 and 17. These are vintage. How many holes we got?
Should just be one.
Do you hear any? Oh, it's got one right there. Yeah.
There should be two holes. The one in the middle, and the one in the belt.
One on the side. Is that how it works? Okay, is there a front and rear on these?
It depends on how you put it on the bike.
I need a. Where's my CRC? Might be hidden
I
somewhere.
think it was seen over here. I got it over here.
Are these a directional tread? Do you know?
No, I don't think so.
Might be. You never know.
Pretty sure not. I could be wrong.
Says it's Shinky. It doesn't say anything about direction on it.
Let's see.
It might be in the fine print though. We can't see. You never know. You get all that blue crap all over there.
Yeah.
This says it is tube type tire on here. Yeah, it appears that it doesn't care which way it goes on. This must be. This
Put it
must
so
be
you
the
can read the
universal-
Shinko on it, okay?
This must be the universal rib style tire. This doesn't want to come off.
Yeah.
Just leave it on there and it comes off.
If you do burnouts, it warms up then.
There we go. We got to keep that so we know where it came from.
The takeoff wing cylinder is new.
See, I need a snot. Is there anything left? Does it work?
I don't know. It's yours. Or you know.
It almost works. Almost coming out evenly. Good thing I didn't care about that being too even. There we go. Clean my hands off. So you do that. Okay, this is right tube. Right Alright. Are you working the camera good? I hope so.
Yeah. See it fine.
Did it go on?
Pretty much.
What's going on?
It was easy part.
Where's my donkey dick puller? It might tag me for saying.
They bleed you out.
Yeah, they'll bleed me out. They'll tag the videos be decent.
Suppose you get any of your videos, get through them the way you do this work. Pretty
Yeah.
indecent.
Yeah, look what I found. Make sure the offset is the correct direction too.
That's important.
It does make a difference.
You go to air it up and it sucks back inside. Gotta poke a hole in it to get it back off.
That's a terrible video. You can't see what I'm doing.
Yeah, pitch it down some more. It'll make you happy.
But you're working on that.
It was okay. You keep moving around. Stop moving around, Keenan.
I'm popular. How come we got air in this tire?
That's how it runs. It runs with air in it.
It's hard to put together. If you get air in it.
You put air in it then.
I like to make sure it's not got a hole in it before I put it in. That way I know it's me that did it. Anyway, that we lost our valve stem. We can pull the tube back out. There it is. Right there, it's trying to get away. Back. Okay, pull it in half, shove it in the hole. Like that. Kind of wiggle around and pull on a little bit.
Should we put it in there again?
Put the right way. Why don't we put the right way? Do it the wrong way. It's in there now.
Getting all the wrinkles out of it?
Yeah, and even went down inside the hole over there too. Look at that. It's still centered. Got air in it now. You beat it. Unbeat it. Okay. Make sure it doesn't go back in that hole. As long as you don't poke a hole, you're all right.
Yeah. Got that.
You knew about that one?
Yeah, yeah.
This tire appears to be a little bit more flexible than that one we just took off.
That's why I was replacing it, because it was a hard ride bringing this thing down from where I bought it.
Got a beat on it. Have some fun. Look at that. How many holes we got now? Oh, look at all those holes. It's already up already. No pop, no bang. Look at that. Nice and even all the time.
Pretty good.
Wipe off the white walls for you. Let me polish that up for you there, sir.
Thank you, my good man.
Oh, I got the tire on backwards. Oh, damn.
That's good.
It rolls. Those blue walls look nice.
Too bad the bike's not blue. I'd be happy then.
Where's our valve stemmer? I like how the tube doesn't fit in the core very well. It's rim. How much air pressure you want?
What does it call for, 35?
At least 105.
No.
No. I think it's 18 to 22 in the Harley book.
Really?
Yeah. Get back old enough. There's a big leak in that thing.
She didn't put the tube in the wrong way?
I don't know. It acts like it is.
It does, didn't it?
Maybe putting it correctly will make a difference. Well, I know it started in the correct way. I don't go the correct way right now, though. It does not have the correct offset for this line. Might go in the angle it should be at. What you want? You think you want 30 pounds in this thing? I don't think they're anywhere near that much. Did you read it?
No.
What did it say?
Let's see here. Is it max, what does it say?
Well, I can't read over here. Over here.
Maximum speed.
How fast can we go?
130 miles per hour.
130? I don't think so.
Is it 1.3?
It says S on it. That's only like 90.
Maybe it's kilometers.
Kilometer an hour? What's I got too much crap on it, you can't read anything. I don't see no pound PSI numbers on that.
Let's see here. Maximum load here, PSI. 33 PSI cold.
You found a PSI in there somewhere?
Load range.
No.
716 pounds.
Okay, so we're at 28 right now. That's close enough.
Okay.
Where's your valve core? Did you do your spit test yet?
I have not.
Oh, look at that bubble blowing up.
What?
Must be a big leak in it. Ooh, somebody spit all over the rim. Hide that real quick. You're hiding the core from me. You got a fancy chrome core?
No.
How about a fancy rubber core?
Yeah, just put that core on for now.
Black plastic?
Let's see if I can get me some of those little ones that look like crowns or something. You know, maybe some skulls. Get some skulls on it, huh?
There you go, that'll work.
Yeah, skulls. I think skulls.
Fuzzy dice with tassels.
They're spikes. Maybe some spikes.
Did you balance it yet?
Yeah, we gotta do that yet too, huh?
You didn't balance it?
Beat those damn things on there.
Where's your balancer at?
We're just here.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
Right here? Over here?
Let's use that.
This thing over here? Is that a balancer? Yeah. You got one of these right here? You got a balancing arbor. There's only a clean arbor. Look at that.
You can't because the camera's not pointing down.
Got this shot in my head, I bet.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, jeez. I'm herniated. Where's my herniated breakfast dinner? It says record on it. So unless you're recording, it's not recording.
Okay. All right.
Appears to be this at the bottom. Let's see if it moves when I go over here. Ooh, look at that. It's dropping like a rock. I'm going to put one of these weights over here. Still wants to drop like a rock.